Hi everyone, I'm back again with a fun new project. Let's check out the raw vase first. This vase is made from white clay and doesn't have any design or color on it yet. I laid out my tools on the table: brushes, acrylic paints, a palette, and a pencil. I also sharpened my pencil with a desktop sharpener, so my lines would be clean on the curved surface of the vase. I don't think everyone knows this, but acrylic paint, unlike traditional paints, even sticks on glazed vases and stays vibrant for years. I placed the vase on the table and started freehand drawing. I drew a bird on the body of the vase and filled the space around it with flowers and leaves to create a lively, natural composition. Then I continued the same pattern all around the vase until it was completely covered with the design. At this stage, I was just focusing on composition and overall form, no attention to colors or details yet. The goal here is to set the visual foundation and balance on the vase, kind of like the skeleton of a piece before it comes to life. Did you know that painting on pottery is one of the oldest art forms in the world? Thousands of years ago, people painted animals and nature on their vases to record the stories of their lives. Basically, every vase was like a little diary. Now it's time to bring in some color. For this design, I chose blue, a calm and cool color that goes really well with the white of the vase and gives a soft feeling to the bird and flowers. A cool fact: acrylic paint is super adhesive, so even on glazed surfaces, it sticks and lasts a long time. That's why so many artists use it for painting on vases. Here, it's all about precision and feeling. You need to know when to stop and when to go on, because if you overwork it, the natural, lively feel of the design can disappear. Another interesting thing is that on a curved surface like a vase, the light changes constantly. So, in a way, you're painting with light, not just color. Every angle gives a fresh, different vibe to the piece. Ta-da! And finally, the exciting part. This moment is always magical. Seeing every brushstroke, every shade and color come together to create a complete, beautiful piece. This has been my experience, painting and designing this vase. See you in the next video!